Hi folks, this is Max from rootgalaxynote.com. So today I'm going to show you how to back up your stock ROM, stock rooted ROM, and also other ROMs. How to back up a ROM and also how to restore ROMs. So you'll have to have your phone rooted, your AT&T Galaxy Note rooted, and also Clockwork Mod Recovery installed. You can find all instructions over at my site, rootgalaxynote.com, and look for the AT&T Galaxy Note FAQ, which I'll be putting up shortly. If it's not there, just check back. Once you've got everything installed there, oops, there we go. We're gonna reboot into Clockwork Mod Recovery. At any time, you can press volume up and volume down together, and also the power button. Hold them all down and until your phone resets. And also, this is a great way to reset your phone. You can just if you hold down the power button, it will reset your phone, and you'll feel a vibration. Let go of the power button. Keep holding down the volume up and volume down until you'll see Clockwork Mod Recovery. And let me zoom in right here. So you'll see a bunch of menus here. Go to backup and restore. That's where we're going to restore. Hit the power button and hit backup. Alright, and this will back up to your internal storage. It says SD card, but I don't actually have my SD card inserted. If you have your SD card inserted, you might get two options. I'm not sure, but the current Clockwork Mod Recovery, I just believe, supports internal storage, which it doesn't matter wherever it stores to. It will actually back up to this directory. If you go to your SD card or your internal storage, you'll find a folder called Clockwork Mod. If you go there into that directory, you'll find a folder called Backup Directory. And if you go into the Backup folder directory, you have all your backup listed by the timestamp, and also you can change the name of the directory. Those are all your backups. You can, after you back up, you can copy it over to your computer, other media storage devices, so it doesn't take up space in your internal storage or SD card. I hope you got all that. If you didn't get it, don't forget to leave comments. I try to do my best. It might take me a while sometimes because on the weekends I'm gonna take my time off because I need to recharge. And anyway, I was backing up. I would just leave it alone. Well, you can see the progress. It should take about 5 minutes, and when it comes back, we're gonna actually restore our backed up ROM just to prove you that this thing works. It backs up everything, including your apps, settings, the whole ROM. So you can use this method to install a bunch of ROMs and then back it up using Clockwork Mod Recovery. And once you have a bunch of backups, you can rename the folders like A-ROM, B-ROM, C-ROM, D-ROM, E-ROM, and then you can always, launch Clockwork Mod Recovery whether you're in plane or into train and switch ROMs on the go. There's other apps you can do it too, but I think this is the the sure way to do it, like no fail way to do it. So I'll be back when this is done. Hi folks, so it's done, and I'll show you it's been backed up. If you don't get any errors, there we go. We can go restore it now. Go to backup and restore, hit the power button again if you want to restore your ROM. Hit restore and power button, and then you see today's date is 2012 February 27th, and also it's time stamped. You can also go and rename it just like I told you, and when you want to restore, just select that and say yes, and we're going to restore our ROM completely back to whatever I just backed up. So I'll be back when this is done. Should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, I'll be back when this is done. See y'all later. Hi folks, so it's restored complete. You can see there erasing boot, restoring system, restoring data. We're going to select reboot system now, hit the power button, and let's boot it up together and verify that Clockwork Mod Recovery backup and restore is working correctly. We should get a Samsung logo, then the Android custom, Android default logo, because I've installed a rooted, my phone is rooted, so there you go. And once it's done booting up, we should be all good to go. And that's how you back up, restore ROMs in AT&T Galaxy Note. And it's exactly the same on the regular Galaxy Note. The only difference is getting into the clockwork mode recovery is volume up, center button, and the power button instead of the volume up, down, and the power button. There you go. So I've got it all restored. You can see all my apps are still there. So that's it. And don't forget to subscribe to my email list at rootgalaxynote.com, where we update you once a week with ROMs, reviews, and tips. And we don't share email with anyone else. And don't forget to hit that like button for me on this video if you see it. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me greatly. Anyway, thanks y'all, and have a great day. Alright, see y'all later.